In this video, I will show you how to calculate the remaining days until the expiration date in Excel using two methods like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some products in this column and product expiry dates in this column. Now I want to calculate the days remaining till the product expiry date for all these products. There are two ways to calculate the remaining days till the expiry date. Dates are stored as serial numbers in Excel. It starts from 1st January 1900, which is represented by the number 1. That means if you have a cell containing the number 1 and if you format it as a date, you would get the date 1st January 1900. Similarly, the number 2 will become the date 2nd January 1900 and so on. Since the dates are serial numbers, we can add or subtract days to or from a date using the plus and minus signs. To calculate the days remaining till the expiry date, we need to subtract the today's date from the product expiration date. I am going to use the today function to get today's date and then subtract it from the product expiration date using the minus sign like this to calculate the remaining days. As you can see, we now have the days remaining until the product expiration date for all the products. We can also use the days function to calculate the remaining days till the product expiry date. The days function returns the number of days between two dates. This function accepts two arguments, end date and a start date. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type days followed by an opening bracket. Since we need to specify the end date first, I am going to select the product expiry date as the first argument of the days function. Type a comma and then type the today function as the second start date argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Let's copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner. As you can see, we now have the days remaining until the product expiration for all the products. The advantage of using the days function over the subtraction of dates using the minus sign is that the days function also accepts the dates as string values. For example, this days formula will calculate the remaining days from today using a date specified in the string format instead of a date serial number. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.